Hello, ma'am, sir. My name is Lenny Lynn Simeon. I'm 33 years old. I'm married and I have three children, one boy and two girls. I have an experience in Saudi since 2018 to 2020. The house of my employer is a condo, 5 rooms, 4 toilets, one kitchen, two adults, three children, 9, 7 to 3 years old. My main job is taking care of children, washing, cleaning, cooking, ironing the clothes. If you hire me, ma'am, I will promise to you and to your family to be honest, hardworking. Thank you, ma'am, sir.